Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into your Paylocity account as an employee. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type paylocity.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the homepage of Paylocity. Right here on the top of the navbar, you will find something like login, and we only will look at the login section because we want to log in as an employee. Simply click on this login button right here. Now a new tab will open up. This is the login page. You simply need to enter your company ID, it can be whatever, your username, and the password. Now here's the remember my username button. You can click on this checkbox or not, it's completely up to you. And if everything is okay, simply hit on this login button. There is also this function called a single sign-on. You can try this as well. In case you forgot your password, here is the forgot password right now. Click on this and simply follow the prompts. And if you want to register, simply click on this register new user button. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your Paylocity account as an employee. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.